In the rugged expanse of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where the Indus River flows through the heart of the Kurram Valley, a centuries-old tradition of tribal politics has shaped the destiny of Pakistan. It was here, in the NA 45 constituency, that the story of Munir Khan Orakzai, a stalwart of the Jamiat Ulama-e-Islam, would unfold, leaving an indelible mark on the region's history. In 2002, Munir Khan Orakzai, an independent candidate, won the general elections in NA 38, which would later become NA 45, with a margin of 619 votes, securing a seat in the National Assembly. Fazlur Rahman, the chief of the Jamiat Ulama-e-Islam, once wrote, "The tribal areas are a microcosm of Pakistan's complexities." His words would prove prophetic as the region continued to grapple with the challenges of modernity and governance. In 2008, Munir Khan Orakzai successfully defended his seat, becoming one of the few parliamentarians from the tribal areas to have served multiple terms. However, the 2013 elections were marred by the volatile security situation in the region, forcing the government to postpone the polls in NA 45 and several other constituencies. In an interview, Imran Khan, the then leader of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, observed, "The tribal areas are not just a problem for Pakistan, but also for the international community." His words highlighted the region's complex relationships with the rest of the world. The 2018 elections saw a change in the constituency's name to NA 45, Tribal Area VI, but the challenges faced by its people remained unchanged. In 2021, a by-election was held to fill the vacant seat, which was won by Fakhar Zaman Khan, a candidate from the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. As the curtain falls on the story of NA 45, we are reminded of the indomitable spirit of its people, who have endured centuries of turmoil and transformation, leaving an indelible mark on the fabric of Pakistan.